Ever wondered who manages our nation's offshore energy resources? Part of that honor is shared by the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management, or BOEM, is the bureau within the Department of the Interior responsible for managing the U.S. Outer Continental Shelf's energy, mineral, and geological resources. This includes oil and gas and offshore wind energy, as well as marine minerals like sand and gravel. As stewards of these offshore resources, we seek to provide sustainable use, fair return, and environmental and cultural resources protection. We manage these resources to benefit the American people and future generations of Americans. The ocean is integral to our lives. Not an inch of it goes uncared for. That's why our mission remains crucial. Despite new challenges in energy security and marine conservation, we're adapting. At BOEM, we're moving forward with urgency to meet ambitious energy goals, always being mindful of our responsibility to consider the needs of all ocean users while avoiding or reducing any potential risks to marine life. Every action we take is with our unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management, guiding the responsible management of our offshore ocean resources.